What's up guys, in today's video we're gonna have a review on the Pro 2 60% mechanical keyboard with brown Gateron switches. So the first thing we see here is like a wrap, and inside of here we have the cable, a keycap remover and some keycaps, extra keycaps for the keyboard, and then we have a manual right here with the mechanical keyboard. So here we got the keyboard. It's black, and as we can see on the back, it's Pro, and it doesn't have like this stabilized things that you can put your keyboard on, so it goes higher up. And this is a brown switch keyboard, Gateron brown. So it's super soft and nice, and it's also a 60% keyboard. So now we're gonna have a quick sound test. That's all for this video, and I hope you guys enjoy, and leave it a thumbs up and a comment. So bye.